Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Love of Theo channel. I'm yours Theo. Now niko na madam hapa, acha ajiintroduce and then tuone tu vile what's the event today, ametualika tufanye nini. Karibu.
Hi, kwa majina naitwa Whitney Dominica Maina, founder of Nakuru County Moms and Dads. And we are here to create mental awareness. People are suffering of mental health, and this is a good opportunity for us to say it's okay not to be okay. It's okay to feel bad. You can seek help. And we've invited people. We're going to have a fun day. We're going to walk around town, and we're just happy for the turnout. And we have a lot of sponsors. Thank you so much for everybody who sponsored us.
Okay.
Yes.
What motivated you to start this mental whatever awareness?
We started because in our platform, Nakuru City Moms and Dads, we have over 177,000 members. We always have somebody saying they're going to kill themselves, they want to commit suicide, they want to hurt other people. So we decided this is an issue. Yes.
Okay, apart from just awareness, is there any program maybe the Nakuru Moms and Dads have decided under your management or under your leadership? Is there any program that you have invented to help this mental ill people?
Yes, there's more program. Yeah, we want to be doing, other than this day, the money we've raised, we're going to do mental wellness trainings so that different people can know how to handle such situations, create more awareness, and then we are going to be working with psychologists so that in case you have an issue, we give you affordable, we talk to psychologists and we have a discount on how much people charge to seek help. So in our platform, it's cheaper when you come through us.
Okay.
Yes.
So partners, maybe can you mention some of the partners that you have partnered with?
Yes. Nairobi Women's Hospital, Stanbic Bank, Nairobi Specialist, Medihill Hospital, Valley Hospital, Nia is a PAD, Youth Villanoma. Oh my God, there's so many. Kivu, Circle Events, Golden Rock. I have to check.
Are they
Health?
Yes.
Yes.
So are they only within Nakuru or outside Nakuru?
Some out Nakuru. Nia is not in Nakuru. They came all the way from Nairobi. Yes. Stanbic is global in terms of Is
there a group, a specific group you are targeting? Maybe men specifically, or just
we are targeting. Mental health is vast, but right now we are targeting depression. Depression is key. Yeah.
How much or how can somebody support you?
You can support us by just coming to our events, coming to our training so that you know how to handle people with these issues. It's in your family, it's in your neighbors, everybody has. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you so much. That has been Maina trying to give us just a brief of today's what is happening today. And also we have here Mr. CJ mwenyewe. Mr. CJ, yes. How are you bwana?
I'm well.
Za masiku.
Fiti sana.
Karibu sana.
Leo tuna story. We are just having fun.
Yes.
It's about mental health in Nakuru, and we want to thank NCMD. They have done a great job.
Okay.
I mean, we are saying it's okay not to be okay. You don't have to die in your house. You can speak it out.
Yes.
Sawa.
Okay. Yes. Thank you so much.
Asante.
Na maybe amesema programs. How involved are you inside here? Maybe for Nakuru Moms and Dads. Yes. What's your position?
No, I'm just part of Nakuru Moms. I support Whitney. Whitney is our leader, and I mean, we are a family. Okay. It's a family of people from Nakuru, business people, and today here we have come here as sponsors of the event, and many other companies, they are here. Yes.
Thank you so much.
But I've come here to dance.
To dance.
Is that to release stress?
Sawa. Thank you.